Nah, you guys just got clickbaited. You guys actually would think that I'd go to a car show in the middle of winter? Just think about it. Like, come on. I need the views to be popping. So, yeah, that's what just happened. You guys just got clickbaited. And I'm just waiting for this video to get up to like 2 minutes, so just me doing some crap. Yo. Oh, I cannot show you this, but something just happened. Oh my god. Oh, that's so lit. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, but I do have a challenge for you guys. If this video can get to 10 likes and 100 views, that's weird. Nobody would ask for an amount of views. But if this can get to 100 views or at least 10 likes, I will shout out Dan the Man, Chaldo Fresh, and the Lego Lab Jack, and Jordan Vids Willis on my other channel. So if it can get to 10 likes or 100 views, I will do that. Please make sure you like, subscribe down below, and comment. And I'm done now. But wait, there's more people I would want to shout out. There's there's Lego Lab Jake, Chaldo Fresh, Dan the Man, and yeah, that's the only people. So now I'm done. Bye. Peace. Subscribe, like, comment. Bye.